If you uninstalled WhatsApp and now you're trying to install it again from the Play Store but you can't, I'll show you how to fix that, and if this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Now, one of the reasons this might be happening is that you were previously using the beta version of WhatsApp, but the account currently signed in on your Play Store is not the same account you used to join the beta program. So, the first thing you can try is switching to a different account that was signed in previously. To do this, you tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the Play Store, then select another account to sign in with. Once you've switched accounts, try installing WhatsApp again. If that doesn't work, another option is to install WhatsApp directly as an APK from the official website. To do this, open any browser such as Chrome, go to the address bar, type download WhatsApp, and press enter. From the search results, open the official WhatsApp link that says download WhatsApp for Android. Once the page opens, you tap on download WhatsApp directly. This will download the APK file to your device. After the download is complete, open the file and install WhatsApp manually.